back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Teresa. Welcome in. Welcome in. So today we are going to organize my beauty vanity thing. I got one for Christmas and it's finally done. It is January 1st, so now I will organize everything and I'm so happy. Oh my god. That is the mess that we're gonna be working with today. That's where I do my makeup. I will always stand and do my makeup right there. So that's the mess we're gonna have to deal with today. Let me show you guys the vanity. It is so cute. Here's the vanity. I think it is amazing. It is beautiful. I have my tablet and some other stuff already. I was actually about to start organizing, but you know what? I should make a video. So yes, okay. I'm so happy. I'm literally, oh my god, that was there the whole time. Whatever. Oh well, I got it off. Let's go ahead and get started. So here is the mess. I know it is embarrassing. It is so bad. I know, but let's just go ahead and just bring these over here. I'm gonna bring everything over here and then I'm gonna sit down and go through everything, what I'm gonna throw away and what I'm gonna keep. There we go. Face card. Face card. I really said face. There we go. Okay, so here it is. Everything. I'm gonna do my tablet there because I'm gonna watch some Netflix maybe. This is a shirt I'm not gonna use anymore, so I'm gonna use this to clean stuff up. We have my makeup bag that I've used for many years already, and it is not organized. Everything is cramped up. All the brushes I think I am going to throw away because I do have new brushes. So here are the new brushes that I got. I think my brother got me one and my auntie got me some too. I use my blush brush and this is just to blend everything in. And then I also use my powder brush and my bronzer brush. I'm just gonna keep these for now. Throwing all of these away. I don't need them anymore. They're just too bad. I don't know how long I've had these, but they're ugly now. I think it's just time to let these go. So into the trash they go. Alright, now for the makeup that I have in here. I barely have any makeup. I always wear the same ones all the time, but I have my Maybelline Matte Link lipstick. I love these ones. They actually stain, they stain. And throw away all of the blenders, of course. And I have my Wear Beauty highlight. It's gone. I'm gonna throw this. Should I keep this or throw it away? I don't know. I'll keep it. My Rare Beauty powder. I don't use this powder anymore though. I got a new one. So this is Fenty. Yeah, this is Fenty, my bronzer. And then of course my eyeliners. I always use eyeliners. I was literally using, this is a Clorox wipe box thing. I was using it as a storage. I do that, I literally make my own storage if I don't have storage. And then I have this Fenty Beauty concealer. This has nothing at all, so throw it away. Blue eyeliner, another Maybelline lipstick, and then this is from Temu, a highlighter from Temu. I like it, so, and it's still working. I have this as well. I used to use this for my choir stuff. Here's how it is. It is bad. These brushes were these brushes haven't come out of the little packaging to go. I'm gonna throw these away. This is empty now. I probably don't need this. It's trash, so I'm gonna throw this away too. Then a box of eyeshadow. I use this one a lot. This is Shade Light by, what does that say? No idea, but this is how it looks like. This eyeshadow that I used to use for a concert. Halloween glitter eyeshadow. Colorful eyeshadow. Sparkly eyeshadow. Has a lot of dark colors, warmer tones. I was looking for this. The freaking top broke. The lid thing broke. But here it is. I love this one as well. This one is so cute. I got this for my quince. So it has been with me for a while now. And I love to use this one. And then more of the same ones, low-key. More cool tone eyeshadows. and then just a random one. I also got this for Christmas. My friend gave me this, my bestie gave me this, and my cousin gave me this from Secret Santa. Funny because me and my cousin got each other for Secret Santa. Into the trash. Alrighty, that is it. Let me show you guys. Alright, so here is all the makeup right now. It is time for me to organize them in here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I don't have any cute like makeup sets, you know, like those sparkly ones and stuff like that. I don't know what they're called, but if you know, you know. They're on Pinterest a lot. I think I'm gonna put all my eyeshadows in here though, because this is so wobbly. Oh my god. Okay, so for the brushes, I think I will put them here. And then until I get a container thing, I will put them in organized, or I will put them more organized, but for now it goes in here. Hopefully it doesn't get in here because I said like already, like what, foundation, it's not opened yet. This mirror can go in here. This is what we have so far. Let me set up the eyeshadows. It's not a cute collection, but it's something. And then we have this. Again tomorrow I think I'm gonna go to Five Below or Dollar Tree, get the organizer things to organize these better. Say hi, Ojo. Hey guys, I am back. I went out and shopped at Pop Shelf and I got some things for the Vanity. Let me give you a little, what's it called? Shopping haul. So I found these over there. It's I'm gonna use these for makeup organizers. So I found these ones. Same one, another one. I got a smaller one, another one, and I got one even smaller ones. And then I got a bigger one like this. Got two of them. Next I got some cotton swabs because I need some. Then I got some sticky dots because I plan on putting my posters up sooner or later. I got more makeup wipes because I'm running out. I got an elf primer. I don't know if they're good ones. I tried it before, nothing bad happened. Then I got setting spray, a setting mist. It's coconut. It smells like coconut. Any person who likes to do makeup should definitely get a Beauty Vanity because it's gonna be, you're just gonna feel like oh my god, like I don't know how to explain that. I feel like a little more organized, and I just want to buy more makeup. So that's a bad thing about it. I just want to buy makeup. All right, now I got everything out, so it's time for me to organize. Okay, so in here I definitely do want to put my brushes. There's brush, and I'm just put the ones that I always use in here as well. I got all of these. These are highlighters, and then this is bronzer, and this is just setting, just like that. Let's see, let me get all the lipsticks out because I definitely do have more of that. Now for the lipsticks, as I was saying, I got 4 of these, but I have two of them in my bag, so this is just gonna be right here. Oh freak. And then I got these ones. I don't really use them, but oh well. Whatever in here. Eat a mask quiz. Now I'm done with the lipsticks. It does fit. Just gonna turn them to the side a little bit, and then now for the rest of the stuff, I have eyeliners. Eyeliner can go in here. You know what? I think mascara can go in here as well. Why not? Ta-da! Here it is. The brushes, lipsticks, and mascara with eyeliner. And then I'm gonna put the rest of these guys in here. Hopefully they do fit, which I am pretty 100% sure the rest of these in here. movers just can be put here. Then they can go right in here. Yay. And here we got brushes, hair ties and stuff. Perfume, Vaseline. My deodorant doesn't have a top, but don't mind that. And my lotion as well. Even though I want my lotion to be a little bit higher somewhere. But it's just gonna be there, I guess. Here is the eyeshadow drawer. Here is the brushes, the glitter mascaras, that good stuff. Maybe I will organize this a little bit better. Here is the makeup, some eyelashes, and then the rest of these don't have nothing. Then I have this one with perfumes and other stuff, lotions, hairsprays. And then brushes, hair brushes. Okay, and then here is the magical part. The magical part. Oh my goodness. I love it. I love it so much. Isn't it amazing, guys? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe. And leave the comments down below what the videos you guys would like to see. Make sure to stay tuned for the whole room tour. I don't know when that's gonna happen, but stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, thank you guys. Bye.